Okay, here we go. Rogers Motor Cars here. We have got a 1968 Chevy C10. This was a factory short bed truck. This was a frame-off restoration. Gorgeous. The color is a cherry metallic. It's a Lexus color, actually. Very nice. The undercarriage is beautiful. I have pictures in the photo gallery of that. Engine bay is gorgeous. I'll pop that real quick. Very nice serpentine setup here. All billet, long tube headers, Vertronics ignition. It's a 383 stroker. Does have AC. Power disc slotted brakes. Runs great. Motor's fresh. It's got a 12-volt rear end. Vintage AC. I'll tell you, when the fan is on high, it's like a wind tunnel in there. It blows really, really hard. Maybe the hardest in any one of these C10s I've ever owned. Got the sliding rear glass, bed liner, roll pan. Every light works inside and out. Every gauge works. Tilt steering wheel. Get a close up of this paint if I can. Very nice. The wheels are 20 by 10 in the rear, 20 by 8 in the front. New tires. Custom exhaust. Real nice sound system, kicker speakers, Bluetooth. Door jambs look great. Houndstooth upholstery. Nice steering wheel. It does have the original gauges and they all work. Truck. I wouldn't be scared to take this thing across Texas right now. No battery drain, no leaks. Really well built. The seams are nice. Of course, it sounds really good. Give us a call, text, email. The website is rogersmotorcars.com. There's lots of pictures there. Hope to talk to you soon.